welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Aisha. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So today is Friday and I want to make soups. I want to meal prep for the house because see, my house, but we eat, not me, my kids, they eat swallow. They like swallow, so I always have soups, but normally I always do okra and all of that, but now I'm doing like 3 different soups, meal prepping in general. So I'm going to take you guys along. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, all those good stuff. If you enjoy watching, definitely you will enjoy watching. So I'll take you guys along. You guys, this is my water base for ewedu, and this is 𝐭𝐴. I always cut my 𝐭𝐴 in bits like this and boil it with what's called powder Maggi and onion, so that it's soft enough when I want to put inside soup. So that's what it is. I'm going to put my ewedu inside this one now. So you guys, this is my ewedu, washed and all of that. What I should do. So you guys, I'll be making egusi. This is how I always buy my egusi from the market.
Yeah. Goldie boy,
Master Keys.
Sabi man no de do like dog. Animal de human from. Body man nobody like pork. But you must also if you want your. Ain't no finish the one fight does. If them they run out no fit catch up. I know they from say you too like dogs. No go they from say you too like us. Me no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind and my money. Make it dance like broccoli. Steady girl like broccoli. Steady on my girl, no I hear what you want telling me. Good enough my fantastic. They would they check if my dad be no rush. At the rush where be much. No go they make my dad by the rush. The kind money we touch. Yeah, at the rush where the much. No be hype everybody they crush. There's no darling with us. There's no darling.
Guys, let me show you what they would have blended together with the egusi if I had blended it from the market. Can you see the dirt in this? Can you guys see it? That's how I always bring it to wash it and then blend it.
Life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. For every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, boy, that's where I call my home. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know. Whoa, boy, I want to be dancing with you forever. You sit through the storm.
This is my blended egusi. I'm going to cook this now with dry fish.
Hold you for my hand, my hand, my hand. Hold you for my hand, hold you for my hand. Over and over again, yeah, my love is burning, babe. Feels like time is frozen and the night is for us. And we're alone again, every moment's golden, yeah. Feelings I've been holding in, it must be love. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, boy, that's where I call my home. Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know. Boy, I want to be dancing with you forever. You sit through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I make her just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand, my hand, hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand. Hold you for my be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. I wanna be in your life until the night is over, until the night is over, until the night is over.